Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make potato salad. Start by selecting your potatoes. Waxy varieties like Yukon Gold or red potatoes hold their shape well. Boil them in salted water until fork tender, which usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, let them cool completely, then peel and dice them into uniform 1-inch cubes. This foundational step ensures your potato salad has the perfect texture and consistency. Now let's create that delicious, creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Incorporate finely chopped celery and red onion for a delightful crunch. Season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of paprika to enhance the flavors. With your potatoes diced and your dressing prepared, it's time to bring it all together. Gently fold the creamy dressing into the cooled, diced potatoes. Take care not to mash the potatoes, aiming for an even coating on every piece. Once thoroughly mixed, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the potato salad for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, give your potato salad a final taste and adjust any seasonings as needed. A little extra salt or pepper can make a big difference. For a fresh finish, sprinkle with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley or chives. Serve this classic side dish chilled and enjoy the compliments from your friends and family. It's perfect for picnics, barbecues, or any gathering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.